worst thing about moving is, it's not the back-breaking labor that takes place for 16 days in a row, or the just unreasonable amounts of stress that your body goes and mind go through. It's the little things. I can't find my razor blades, so I've been using this same tired utility blade for like 8 days, and it's somewhere in there. That's my new shop. So, remember the old adage about keeping all of your eggs in one basket? When you do find the little things, for example, like your lighters, you'll find that there's a whole flock of them. I searched the entire property for a Bic lighter and I couldn't find one anywhere. The previous owner had left a lot of garbage, and so I burned for a couple days. Not garbage, but lots of like stuff in the woods. This is an extremely wooded property, which I'll take you around it. You're gonna love it. I'm excited to show it to you. But my time is limited and I'm under an incredible amount of pressure because there are boxes and a mess everywhere. But I'm extremely optimistic. And I have to keep this short because I don't want to do too much editing. That is a major time suck. But I'm doing my best here, so I invite you to join me and give me a break along the way. Especially because, forget about a tripod, I don't even know where that is. I can't even unload the stuff in your brain into that magic box. All of these ideas are stranded inside. But all things considered, I didn't really break anything of major importance on the move, so I think that's kind of a success. Yes, progress will find a way. The stage that it's at right now is what I would call major progress. Oh my goodness, it was bad. Now please use your imagination. I know it's overwhelming, but it was actually worse because the couch and some of the inside furniture was there. And believe it or not, I lost a lawnmower in this mess. There's my greenhouse. There's a disassembly video on the way, and hopefully a reassembly video at some point because I would like to put it somewhere between the house and the garage. Functionally, this is just a warehouse at the moment, but wasn't important. Someday, that will be a, I don't know, a garage area and gym, and I would like to put a partition here somewhere. Pottery stuff. Lawn care in this part, and then I don't know about this, but this will be my main wood shop and filming area. Again, I ask you to please use your imagination. I know that it's a disaster, but what we're looking at are the base materials with which I will use to construct a hopefully awesome shop. But for the moment, I have to get to work. So please come back. I'll see you soon. Razor blades? No, drill bits. But those will be useful at some point. Now, psychologically, I'm supposed to exploit you by leaving you with a little piece of optimism or some clever quip at the end so that there's an uptick to the narrative. and then you're more likely to return because you like the pleasurable sensation of a positive message at the end. But I didn't find my razor blade, so there isn't one. But come back anyways. Wait, I just remembered. Yes.